Why are ravens so intelligent? Mind-blowing facts. Ravens, with their sleek black feathers and glossy eyes, are some of the most captivating and enigmatic creatures in the avian world. While their haunting calls have earned them a place in myths and legends across many cultures, it is their remarkable intelligence that truly sets them apart. Ravens are not just birds. They are problem solvers, communicators, and innovators. Their abilities to use tools, plan ahead, and engage in complex social interactions rival the cognitive capabilities of some primates, making them a subject of fascination for scientists and bird enthusiasts alike. But what makes ravens so intelligent? Are they born this way, or do they develop these advanced skills over time? How do their minds work, and what do they reveal about the evolutionary importance of intelligence in the animal kingdom? In this article, we will delve into the fascinating world of ravens, uncovering mind-blowing facts about their intelligence, behaviors, and their place in the broader animal kingdom. 1. Ravens have a remarkable memory. One of the most striking aspects of raven intelligence is their exceptional memory. Ravens have been shown to have the ability to remember specific individuals and events for extended periods, sometimes for years. In fact, ravens' memories are so sharp that they can recall the locations of food caches they have hidden, and even remember the faces of other ravens or predators. In a famous study conducted by the University of Vienna, researchers observed ravens' ability to recall the actions of other ravens. If a raven witnessed another bird hiding food, it would be able to remember the location of the cache hours or even days later. Additionally, ravens can remember individuals who have interacted with them in specific ways, such as providing food or posing a threat. These birds can hold grudges and even engage in complex social strategies based on past interactions. This type of long-term memory is incredibly rare in the animal kingdom, particularly in birds. While some primates also exhibit strong memory skills, ravens display a level of recall that is unparalleled in most species. Their ability to remember and apply past experiences is crucial for their survival in the wild, where food scarcity and competition are common. 2. Ravens are tool users. For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the use of tools by animals. Chimpanzees, dolphins, and even some birds are known to use tools for various purposes. However, ravens stand out due to their ingenuity and resourcefulness. These birds don't just use tools, they create them. Ravens have been observed using sticks, twigs, and even leaves to retrieve food from hard-to-reach places. They can modify objects, shaping them to suit specific tasks. For example, they might bend a branch to extract a piece of food from a tight crevice, demonstrating an understanding of the relationship between cause and effect. Interestingly, ravens don't just use tools opportunistically. Some studies suggest that they can even plan ahead. In one experiment, ravens were shown to anticipate the need for a tool before they encountered a task. They would select a tool from a set of available objects, understanding that it would be needed to retrieve a food item in the future. This foresight and planning ability is considered a hallmark of advanced cognition, and it places ravens in the company of some of the most intelligent animals on Earth. 3. Social intelligence and communication. Ravens are highly social birds, and their intelligence is not only demonstrated through individual problem-solving but also in their complex social interactions. Ravens live in large, loosely connected groups and are known for their ability to communicate with one another. Their vocalizations are sophisticated, with over 30 different calls identified by researchers. These calls convey a variety of meanings, such as warnings about predators, signaling food discoveries, and even coordinating group activities. Ravens also use non-vocal communication methods, such as body language and gestures. They will engage in play with other ravens, using aerial acrobatics and synchronized movements to interact in ways that go beyond mere survival instincts. One of the most fascinating aspects of raven behavior is their ability to engage in what appears to be cooperative problem-solving, where multiple ravens work together to achieve a common goal. Furthermore, ravens are able to understand the perspectives of others, a cognitive ability known as theory of mind. This allows them to anticipate the actions and thoughts of other animals, whether that's a fellow raven or a human. In one study, ravens were observed waiting for their fellow ravens to leave a food cache before accessing it, demonstrating an understanding that others would also be interested in the food. 4. Ravens can plan for the future. Humans are often thought of as the only creatures capable of long-term planning and thinking ahead, but ravens have shown that they, too, can plan for future needs. In a series of experiments, researchers found that ravens would plan their actions based on anticipated future events. For instance, in one experiment, ravens were given a chance to select tools or food items in a situation where they might need to use one to obtain the other later on. The ravens would select a tool or item that they knew would be helpful in a future task, demonstrating an understanding of cause and effect and the ability to anticipate future events. This ability to plan ahead is rare among animals and suggests that ravens possess a level of cognitive sophistication that is not only on par with some primates but also rivals the planning abilities seen in young children. The ability to plan for the future is an evolutionary advantage, allowing ravens to secure food and resources when they are scarce and to adapt to changing environments. 5. Ravens can speak. To humans, one of the most mind-blowing facts about ravens is their ability to mimic human speech. While many birds can mimic sounds, ravens are particularly adept at copying human voices, sounds, and even environmental noises. This ability to imitate sounds helps them navigate their social environments, as they can communicate with humans and other animals in ways that are unexpected for a bird species. Ravens have been known to copy human phrases, phone rings, and even the sounds of animals. This mimicry is thought to serve as a social tool, helping the raven blend into its surroundings or even communicate with humans for food. Some researchers have suggested that ravens' ability to imitate sounds is part of their broader social intelligence, allowing them to integrate more seamlessly into their environments, whether in the wild or around human settlements. 6. Ravens engage in play and deception. One of the most fascinating aspects of raven behavior is their propensity for play. Ravens are not just survival-focused animals. They also engage in recreational activities, such as playing games with each other, sliding down snowbanks, and even playing with objects like sticks or stones. This play behavior is thought to be an indication of their advanced cognitive abilities, as play is often associated with problem-solving, social bonding, and mental stimulation. Ravens are also known to engage in deceptive behaviors, another trait that showcases their high intelligence. In the wild, ravens have been observed hiding food caches from other birds by pretending to bury food or by placing it in a location that seems obvious but is actually a decoy. This behavior suggests that ravens are not only capable of strategic thinking but can also manipulate the behavior of others in order to achieve their goals. 7. Ravens are creative problem solvers. Ravens are known for their ability to think creatively when faced with challenges. Unlike many animals that rely on instinct or trial and error learning, ravens have been shown to approach problems with a level of innovation that is rare in the animal kingdom. In controlled experiments, ravens have demonstrated the ability to solve complex puzzles, such as using tools to retrieve food from inaccessible places or even solving multi-step problems that require a sequence of actions. In one experiment, ravens were presented with a problem where they had to use a series of tools to obtain a piece of food. The ravens figured out the solution in a matter of minutes, showcasing their ability to think outside the box and come up with novel solutions. Conclusion. Ravens, the feathered geniuses of the bird world. Ravens are not just birds, they are minds in flight. Their intelligence, creativity, and social sophistication are truly awe-inspiring. From their ability to use tools to their exceptional memory, planning skills, and social dynamics, ravens demonstrate a cognitive richness that is on par with some of the most intelligent mammals. Their remarkable behaviors challenge the traditional boundaries of animal intelligence, forcing us to reconsider what is possible in the avian world. These mind-blowing facts about ravens only scratch the surface of their incredible abilities. As scientists continue to study these remarkable birds, we are bound to uncover even more about the inner workings of their brilliant minds. One thing is certain: ravens are among the most intelligent and fascinating creatures on our planet, and their story is only just beginning to unfold.